Yeah, I'm up here at the shop. Me and the homie, we just put some FAPO Coilovers on his 91 CB7. Don't worry about the hood or the bumper. We're gonna get all that sorted out. Yeah, man. So we got some post wheels. Painted them black. Left the lip polished, and then we got 20 millimeter not spaces, but adapters, because these wheels they do not match up to a 4x1 1.4. So we had to get adapters, and then yep, he got God Snow 3-inch exhaust, catback exhaust, and then a header. We don't know the name of the header, but we had to fabricate the header because the flex pipe was bad or whatever. So we put new flex pipe and all that stuff on it. So the exhaust, and then we got the coilovers, adapters, wheels. Feel like we missing something else. Oh yeah, damn, shit. Yeah, cause this is going on Jay Mizzle's channel. You know what I'm saying? So we painted the grill, and then we did the little the yellow tint mod. Yeah, just those little things right there turned this mug up. This jank look right. So we bringing the CB7 out soon, man. We got to. We bringing the CB7 out soon. Right. Yeah. So getting work done. You said Windows tinted is gonna be a must. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Then I want to show y'all another joint that I picked up last week. That's my baby right there. And then we got a 2012 Honda Accord. It's got the K24 in it. Right now, we're getting a starter for it this week coming up. This is gonna be for my daughter. This is my daughter's car. Got this car on a job. The dude, he just wanted to get it fixed so he can give it away. And so after I priced him up for a starter and a battery and labor and everything, it wasn't gonna be worth to keep it just to give it away for him spending all that money on it. So I worked the deal out. Yo, I don't charge you nothing. You just give me the car. He came out with the title quick as hell. So we got another Accord, so we got another Honda in the family. Of course, so we got the RDX, then we got the van that's in the back. So yeah, we keeping it Honda over here, baby.